bedroom confidence. Do you have bedroom confidence? Hi everyone, this is Dr. Marta Tara Lee. I'm a relationship counselor and clinical sexologist. I've been running these workshops under the umbrella Bedroom Confidence since 2009. It has been a really, really long time, and these are my most popular workshops. I'm offering them for the first time virtually available for anybody in the world. And there are 3 of them, and the first one is called Pleasuring the Penis. So it involves massaging the penis, and aka, if you do it more quickly, hand job. The second one is Festive Fellatio, and this one involves oral sex or giving a blowjob on somebody who has a penis. The third one is Viva La Vulva. This is for massaging, pleasuring the genitals of somebody with a vagina or vulva. So these 3 workshops are so popular because a lot of people have questions around like, I don't know, I'm not sure what I'm doing. And it's so difficult to actually learn from books. When you watch porn, they don't come with really like explicit instructions. So people are unsure what they are supposed to do or what the person will feel. So in Bedroom Confidence, I not just explain the technique, I demonstrate it on a toy, and I also explain how the person receiving the technique might feel or experience or give feedback on. So it will be filled with anecdotes and stories of what I've gone through and what I've heard, and it's going to be like super fun. So I suggest that you attend this by yourself or with your partner, and you can watch the recording and learn this together. Also, don't think of it as this is something for your partner to do for you. Think of it as this is something that I want to learn so that I know my body, so that I become more confident with my body, with my genitals, with my pleasure, because our genitals are super sensitive, and this is one way to access pleasure, orgasms, and ecstasy. If we had more knowledge and we had the ability to practice, then we will develop more sexual skills. And in turn, when we have those skills, we will feel more confident. It is only people who feel more confident of their own body and in the bedroom that they can start to speak up and advocate for themselves. People who are more confident are more likely to be more relaxed and more playful. So do sign up for this series. It is so important to sign up for them. I have so many people signing up thinking that it's just to spice things up or to save their marriage. It is all that and more. So do sign up for Bedroom Confidence.